This is gonna blow your mind. Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs, throws a mini tantrum. It contracts suddenly, making you suck in air quickly. That rush of air hits your vocal cords, producing that iconic hic sound. Why does this happen though? Sometimes it's because you ate too fast, drank something fizzy, or maybe even got spooked. Your nerves go a bit haywire, sending mixed signals to your diaphragm. Most hiccups stop on their own, but if they don't, try holding your breath or drinking water slowly. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body throwing a little fit. And now you know the science behind it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science facts.